You've probably made mandazis before, but have you tried them with coconut cream? Wait until you try this one. Today I'm showing you how to make coconut cream mandazis using a very simple recipe. Trust me, once you try this version, you may never go back to regular mandazis again. So in our mixing bowl, we're gonna add all our ingredients. I'm gonna use 5 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I'll go in and add half a cup of sugar, add margarine, add 2 tablespoonfuls of baking powder, add half a teaspoon of cardamom, and mix everything together, making sure that all the dry ingredients mix well. Then now go in with your coconut cream and start mixing the dough together. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes until it becomes smooth. So this is a very important process, or a very important step that needs to be followed thoroughly. So the kneading could take quite a bit of time. So continue kneading the dough for quite some time, and then when everything looks smooth and well done, go ahead and cover it for about 20 to 30 minutes, or just depending on how much time you have. The longer they stay covered, the better the results. So cover them, and then when everything is set and done, come back and open your bowl or uncover your dough, do a little bit of kneading again, and after that is done, put or transfer your dough to a flat surface, and now you start rolling the dough into a flat chapati, or make it flat, and then now later you just go in and start cutting the dough into your desired shape. You could do rounds, you could do triangles, you could do squares, you could do diamonds. So depending on which one you prefer or which one you love, then feel free to go in with your cutter and cut your dough into your desired shape. So for me, I decided to go with a little bit of diamond shape, and that is the results we have there. Everything is cut. Then in your cooking pan, heat your oil into medium, and then start dropping your cut dough into the oil and fry them until they're golden brown. So as you can see from the screen, that is our results. The mandazis look so golden. Wait until you see the inside. It's so smooth, so soft, and so fluffy. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next recipe, but kindly please comment, like, share, and thank you. Bye bye.